Good afternoon, dear students. Let's start our lesson. First of all, I'll introduce myself. My name is Akılbayeva Gülnur. I'm an English teacher of gymnasium number 45, named after Baozhan Momushova. Okay, students, pay attention. Today, we will learn the new vocabularies through reading the text and identify the statements and correct them, and answer the questions and write the sentences on a given topic. Let's start our lesson. Okay, please look at the pictures. What can you see? About what are we going to speak? Yes, of course, about the main city of our republic, Nur-Sultan. Okay, students, I hope that you have read the text about our main city, Nur-Sultan. Please, according to this text, we will do the task. Task number 1. Students, you must match the words from the column A with the column B. Please be attentive. Okay, students, have you finished? Let's check the answers. Entertainment venue, boating river, indoor beach, observation deck, official workplace, international events, meeting hall, concert hall, conference hall, art galleries, educational groups, and modern history. Great, students, you are very good. Next task, look at the board. Please, there are some sentences here. They can be true or false. If it is false, please correct them. Be attentive. Good luck. Have you finished, students? Please pay attention to the right answers. Okay, Khan Shahar has shops and cinemas. True. The color of the tower comes from a folk tale. False. Let's correct. The shape of the tower comes from a folk tale about a bird named Samro. Number 3. The official workplace of our president is Avurda. True. Next, there are art galleries and concert hall in the Peace Palace. True. Next, the 5th largest mosque in Central Asia is Hazrat Sultan. False. Let's correct. The 2nd largest mosque in Central Asia is Hazrat Sultan. Last one. There are 45,000 windows in the museum. False. Let's correct. There are 40,000 windows in the museum. Great, students. Well done. Students, let's continue our lesson. Please watch the video material about our main capital. Okay, students, do you like these video materials? Let's take your pens and copybooks. We will write. Students, I think you can answer to simple questions such as: Number 1. What is the capital of our country? Next, when is the birthday of our capital? Who is the first president of our republic, Kazakhstan? Next, who is our president now? And what kind of sightseeing can you visit in Nur-Sultan? Do you want to visit Nur-Sultan? Why? Please open your copybooks, write answers to these questions. Good luck! Dear students, today we have learned new words and phrases from the text. Also to identify the statements true or false and correct them, and also to write the sentences by answering the questions and take a short essay. Students, the lesson is over. Goodbye.